Hi, you guys. I'm Nikki, mother of six, wife, content creator, and dreamer, and this is our journey. We gave up everything to move home to take care of our parents and restore our 100-year-old home. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's renovate one room at a time. Alright babes, so we're starting with this horrific space here. This is the very first spot that you see when you walk out of the home and pull into the driveway. There used to be a medium-sized tree here, but once it died, we decided to cut it down, and now it's just filled with dirt and rocks. And I want to make this space very aesthetically pleasing for the summer decor and our upcoming fall and Christmas decor. As you can see, when you walk out of the house, this is the first thing you see. So let's work a little magic. I do have a plan. I'm gonna pop some pictures in. This is the inspo, and I'm gonna try to get as close as possible, so let's get to work. Decided to use the reciprocating saw to remove the rest of the tree here. Now I don't want to dig up too much because I don't want to touch something that I am not supposed to, so I am just going to cut as much as possible, and then we're going to bury the rest. And all these rocks came from this one little space, and it's a ton of rocks left here, and I'm going to leave it for our future plants. I'm just going to clean up around the edges, and I am going to reuse these rocks. Originally, I was not going to reuse all of these rocks, but once I started to clean them off and rinse them, I noticed how beautiful they were. So I was like, you know what? I'm definitely going to use these around the yard. It's a space for everything. I was actually shocked by how many rocks was in this one little space, but I guess it did do the tree some good because the tree was alive for over 15 years and then it died. I guess we didn't give it enough care. So I'm just going to rinse these off and I'm going to place them around the yard, and you will see that in this video and in future videos. Now that the space is cleaned up, I did drop some soil here, and I bought this lantana plant that I had on the porch, and I read that it thrives off of sun, it can withstand drought, and I definitely decided I wanted to put it here because the sun is always blasting in this one little spot. So I am going to break it up. I'm going to try to keep the roots intact, and I'm going to plant it in this area. I think it's going to come out beautiful. This space looks amazing already. I decided to line up the rocks on the edge to give it a cleaner look, and I added some lights here, and I think it's going to be so beautiful. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. This is the before, and we're going to get into the after. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to create the most beautiful spaces in your home just to make it feel cozy, and let's get into the after.